Hi, I'm Tyler Elliott with Elliott Remodeling, and in this segment I'm going to show you how to replace a shower head. A lot of the times old shower heads will begin to leak once the seal wears away, or sometimes you just want a new shower head for your shower. Either way, once you remove the old shower head, be sure to clean the threads to get any remaining gunk off. That includes wax or Teflon tape. After the threads are thoroughly cleaned, you rethread your own Teflon tape or wax, whichever you prefer, back onto the threads before you put the shower head on. The point of adding Teflon tape or wax is to create an even tighter seal between the threads. Once you decide on whether you're going to use wax or Teflon tape, I prefer Teflon tape, wrap the Teflon tape from the bottom to the top of the threads. Make sure that when you wrap it, you wrap them clockwise, because you will be spinning on the shower head clockwise. Again, I'm Tyler Elliott, and that's how you install a shower head.